At this point, we're just trying to remove anything that will come off without cutting your heat or anything. So that's the goal right now. I already took this back strip off. All these are loose on this side. So I gotta go around, take all the tacks out, and all the little brad nails, and we will take the back seat out. There we go. Alright, so we're still working on taking the back seats out. As you can tell, this is all original. That is horsehair, which is cool. So we're still taking out the tacks that's holding in the leather. All the tacks that are coming out of there are very old. Really cool to see. I think we'll do a time lapse of us removing the back seats, the back one and the front one. So there we go, guys. The top section of the back seat. All the tacks, tiny nails are out. Uncovers the horsehair and burlap. Now we got to do the bottom section where it tacks in. For ease of getting in and out to do the back seat, we are going to take the doors off. Alright, so we got the door off so that we could easily get in and out while we were doing the tacks at the bottom. Alright, so we got the back seat off. You can see where there was, got some friends in there. We had some, I don't know if you could tell, but some friends in there too. Overall, in really good condition. You see it has the original square nuts. I believe all this wood is original. I mean, we have
tedious. But very, very fun to listen to.
very fun to listen to.
Yeah. So we already figure the engine won't be so bad to get started. And the main thing that needs help is the body. So we're gonna work on the body first, getting her cleaned up. And then turning the engine, getting her started towards the end. I mean, it's not terrible. It's not that rusty. It's just like surface rust. And then we're gonna see if we're gonna do it the same way they painted back then, or if we're gonna spray it on. We don't quite know yet. What I do know is we just want to get this stuff off first. This I don't think we can save. But we have to see what it looks like underneath the seat too. This back there's quite a bit rusty. So we'll be cleaning this stuff up. And then getting it painted so it doesn't continue to rust. I've got to do the same thing for this guy. So the paint was still wet when they were putting it together.
Yeah. You see it all on the top?
Hmm.
That's good. Probably like hit it with heat just on the outside so they could touch the outside but keep going with the inside.
We finished taking off the nails for the seat. And this is what we find.
A bundle of joy.
Gross. That's pretty rough, isn't it?
Yeah. It's gonna be fun to clean up.
Yep.